Good morning, my dear students. Dear students, in previous video we have seen basic concept of exercise 1.1. I hope you have watched. Students, let's begin today's class with exercise 1.1. The first question, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at the different places on particular day. Okay, we have a number line over here and we have answer. Now we have to answer following questions. Before that, we have to complete this number line. See, let's start with the left side, that is Lahul Spiti -10, -10. After that -9, -8, -7, -6 and -5 they have given. Next -4, -3, -2, -1. Next number will be 0. After 0, 1 positive numbers will be start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 they have given. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The last number end with 25 and starting number when start with -10 and end with 25. Let's see first question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Okay, we have to observe line and then make a list of a temperature of the places that have been marked down. So let us start with left, which is Lahul Spiti is present. For a first question, make a table. The table is first places. In next column take temperature. Next column temperature. First, which are the places they have given? Lahul Smith, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bengaluru. Okay, Lahul Smith. Okay, tell me where it is marked. -10 here, -9, -8. Lahul Smith, what temperature it has took? -8 degrees Celsius. The temperature given in which form? Degrees Celsius form. Next, Srinagar. Srinagar, where it has marked? On -2. Srinagar marked on -2 degree Celsius. Next, Shimla. On where it is marked? On 5 degree Celsius. Ooty marked on 14 degree Celsius. Next, Bengaluru 22 degree Celsius. This is the answer for first question. Dear students, let's see second question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? Before going to solution, dear students, how you recognize hottest place and coldest place? Here, hottest place is nothing but which has high temperature, and coldest place is nothing but which has low temperature. Coldest place means what here? Lowest temperature. It takes lowest temperature. Hottest place means with a high temperature. Dear students, in given place which has highest temperature here? 22 degree Celsius means what do you mean by say? It has hottest place. Bangalore is the hottest place. And which is the lowest temperature here? Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti is the lowest temperature. Lowest temperature is nothing but what here? Coldest place. Coldest place. If what is the question here? The temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above. We got now hottest place and coldest place value. Then we have to do difference. We have to take out difference between this hottest and coldest place. Therefore, we have to do hottest place minus coldest place. Hottest place minus coldest place. Hottest place, we have temperature 22 degree Celsius minus and coldest place, the temperature is of a coldest place is minus 8 degree Celsius. Minus 8 degree Celsius. You know that minus into minus plus, 22 keeping as it is and removing 8 from the bracket. So we have to do multiple with the signs. Minus into minus plus 8 plus 8. 22 plus 8 it is 30 degree Celsius. The next question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? What is the temperature here? Minus 8 degree Celsius, and another one Srinagar. Srinagar has minus 2 degree Celsius. Lahore Spiti has minus 8 degree Celsius. Srinagar has minus 2 degree Celsius. What we have to do now? Difference between these two places. Lahore Spiti and minus Srinagar. That is minus 8 is Lahore Spiti and minus Srinagar has how many degrees Celsius? Minus 2 degree Celsius. Minus 2 degree Celsius. Minus of minus 2. Minus 8. Next step, we have to remove this minus sign from the bracket. So minus into minus, we have to multiply these two signs. Minus into minus plus and 2. Minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2. What is the first step? We have to multiply these two signs. Minus into plus minus. Given sum we have to do minus. 8 minus 2, 5. Which is the greater number? 8. Which sign it has to minus. So minus 5 is the answer. What is the difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Minus 5 degree Celsius. Minus 5 degree Celsius. Next question. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature at Shimla? See, in this question there are two questions. First, let them do from here to here. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Srinagar what we have? How much temperature? Minus 2 degree Celsius. And Shimla we have 5 degree Celsius. First question, what they have here? Can the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? First take Srinagar and Shimla taken together means what here? We have to add both states. Right? We have to add both places now. Srinagar plus Shimla. Srinagar we have how much degree Celsius? minus 2 degree Celsius, minus 2 degree Celsius plus, and Shimla we have how much degree Celsius? 5 degree Celsius. We have to take together these two places. So minus 2 plus 5. How to write now? Plus 5. First write greater number on the upper part and minus 2 down. So first step we have to multiply these two signs, plus into minus, minus, and given problem we have to do minus. 5 minus 2 it is 3. Which is the greater number? 5. Which sign it has to? Plus. So when we together these two places we get how much degree? Plus 3 degree Celsius. When we take together Srinagar and Shimla, we get how many degree Celsius? Plus 3 degree Celsius. Next read continued part. Is less than the temperature at Shimla. See, when we do together these two places, we get what here? Plus 3 degrees. Alone Shimla, how much temperature it has took? Alone, only Shimla, how much it took? 5 degree Celsius. It is less than these two places? No. So is less than the temperature at Shimla? Yes. Srinagar, when we together these two places we get less temperature. Yes, when we together add two places we get less than Shimla. Understood? This is the solution for D. And another question they ask, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? See what they ask now. Srinagar, how much we have? Temperature minus 2. When we add together these two places, we get plus 3. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? No. No. We get more when we add two places. Say by how much degree? Next question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for a correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25 in first round, successive round means what here? First round, second round, third round, one after another. In first round he scored 25, minus 5 in second round, minus 10 in third round, 15 in fourth round and 10 in fifth round. What was his total at the end? They asked what is the total score of the 5 successive rounds. This total means what here? We should all these scores. We should add all these scores. Let's solve solution. Given, what are they given? Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. And they asked total scores of the successive round. Total means what here? We have to add 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Next step, what we have to do? 25 plus into minus, minus 5. Next plus into minus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. This we have took 5 out from the bracket. How? By multiplying these two signs, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Next 20. Now we have to solve now. 25, first 2u with two numbers you. 25 minus 5. What is answer? 20. Plus into minus, minus. 25 minus 5 is 20. Greater number 25. Which sign it has to? Plus 20. When we minus these two numbers, we get what? Plus 20. Next number what here? Minus 10. Minus 10. Next, plus into minus, minus. Given problem we have to do now. Minus 20 minus 10, 10. Greater number 20. Which sign it has to? Plus, plus. Next, after adding these three left, next we have to take plus 15. Plus 15. Plus into plus, plus. Given problem we have to do plus. 10 plus 15, 25. Which is the greater number? 15. Which sign it has to? Plus. Next, 10. Left number again. 10 plus 10. Plus 10. Plus into plus, plus. 25 plus 10. 25 plus 10 it is 35. Which is a greater number? 25. Which sign it has to? Plus. So the last score is plus 35. The last score of the all 5 successive rounds is plus 35. We took 35 marks or score in all 5 successive rounds. This is the solution for second answer. Venture total score at the end is 35. Okay. Next question is, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means it is decreased. It came down. Means first it was minus 5 degrees Celsius. First it was minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It decreased. First it was minus 5 and it decreased to the 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 5 on Tuesday. It dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. It came down. Next, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Let's see solution. The temperature on Monday, it is Monday Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar is dropped by how much temperature? 2 degrees Celsius. So we have to do dropped means here minus. Temperature on Monday minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 5. On Monday what it was? Minus 5. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 5 plus 2 7. Which is the greater number? 5. Which sign it has to? Minus. Minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday what was the temperature? Minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next question. What was the temperature on on Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Means rose means raised. or increased? It went up. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Means temperature on Wednesday at Srinagar is rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday it is plus rose, means it is increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday what it was? Minus 7 degrees Celsius. Minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. Plus into minus, minus 7 minus 4, 3, which is a greater number? 7. And which sign it has took? Minus. Minus 3 degrees Celsius. Thus, we can say the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, minus 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday respectively. This is the solution for question number 3. Next question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, they have given figure here. Plane is this one and this is a submarine. The plane is flying at the 5,000 meters above the sea level. Sea level, above the sea level means surface of the water, upper layer of a water. Sea level means upper layer of the water. What is the distance covered from the plane to the sea level? 5,000 meters. And how it is? The plane is exactly below the above the submarine. It is exactly above submarine. Submarine 1200 meters, and submarine is 1200 meters below the sea level. Sea level. It is below the sea level. That is what distance is covered? 1200. Next they ask what is the vertical distance between them. Now we have to find out the distance between submarine and plane. What to do now? We have to minus 5,000 minus 1200. See, the important point here, the submarine floating 1200 meter below. Below means already this 1200 to 40 minus, because it is below the sea level, minus 1200 meter. And here plane above the sea level means plus 5,000 meter. Let's solve the solution. Plane is flying at the height here 5,000 meter and depth of the submarine is minus 1200 meter. Now we have to find the distance between plane and submarine. So 5,000 minus of 1200. 5,000 minus into minus plus 1200. 5,000 plus 1200 is 6,200 meter. The distance between these two objects we have how much? 6,200 meter. The distance between plane and submarine is 6,200 meter. This is the solution for fourth question. Next question. Mohan deposited rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount of the account is represented by negative integers, means minus 1,642. Withdraw means we have to notify with the minus sign. They have to, and how will you represent the deposited means here, see students, here deposited means saving money, withdraw means here expenditure money, saving money means keeping in the bank, means you are depositing, you are saving the money, means which sign here, plus. Your expenditure from the saving money means it is minus. So deposit takes plus sign, withdraws takes minus sign. Now what they told, find the balance in the Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now what to do now, we have to, when we get balance amount, how we will get balance amount, saving minus withdraw money, then only we can find out the balance money. Let's see the solution. Total amount deposited in the bank account by Mohan is rupees 2000. Total amount withdraw from the bank account by the Mohan is rupees 1642. Then balance amount they asked. What is the balance amount after withdrawing in the deposit amount? What we have to do? Amount of deposited minus amount withdraw. 2000 minus 1642. What we get? 358. Hence the balance in Mohan's account of after the withdrawal is how many rupees he left? 358 rupees. 358 rupees. Dear students, next problems shall be continuing next class. Thank you.